beginning with the sternocleidomastoid, we've got 65A, 65A, and then 65B right over here. 66 is the trapezius, which you can see on the occipital bone right over here. 66A, 66A. 67 is the epicranius. You can see that right over here. You got 67A, 67B. Put this one around. You have 67A again, 67B back here. 68 is our orbiculosaurus, which is right over here. We got 68A, 68B. We have the corrugator supercilli for 69. 69 right over here, 69B over here. 70 is our orbiculosaurus, which is down here. 70A. 70B for the other one, and 70A you can kind of see. And then you have the buccinator, 71A, 71A right here, 71B right over. Sorry, handwriting's so small. Oh, 71B. Okay. Rhizosaurus, 72B. And on the mandible, 72A. Liberator labii superioris, the 73, which is right over here. 73B. And then 73A is up here. 74 is the liberator labii superioris alignasii. Get 74A, 74B right here, 74B right here. 75 is the zygomatus major. Origins right over here, 75A down to 75B down here to insertion. 76 is the zygomaticus minor, which is right up here. 76 down to 76 down here. 76B insertion. Levera anguli oris. 72. Oh, I'm sorry, 77. 77A down to 77B, right here. Let me turn it, 77B. And then we have 78, which is the depressor anguli oris, which can be seen on the mandible. So you have the 78 right over here. 78 down to 78A. 79 is the depressor labii inferioris, which is right next to it. 79, 79A, B. 80 is the mentalis, which is right next to that one. 80A, 80B. And then we have 81, which is the platysma. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just down here, 81. And then right over here on this one, 81. Focus, 81. And then we have the masseter, 82 on the mandible, 82 right over here on the arch. Then we have 73, which is the temporalis. It can be seen on this one. Or 83, I'm sorry, not 73. And then here, inside the mandible in here, 83. Okay, 84 is the medial pterygoid, which can be seen from the upside down view here. Let me just turn this real quick. 84A. And 84B is on the mandible. Down here. And here. 85 is the lateral pterygoid. Can be seen up here, 85. And also in here, 85. The insertion is right over here, 85A. 86 is the digastric, which can be seen on this one. 86A, and then 86B is right over here actually, and then also down here, 86B. 87 is the mylohyoid, which is 87 right here, and then right over here on this one. 88, stylohyoid. Let me just show you the insertion since we're on here. 88 insertion, then 88 for the origin. Right over on this one. You can kind of see it here. And then geniohyoid on the mandible, 89. Sorry, it's hard to point. I need like a third hand. 89. And then 89 over here. Oh, focus, 89. 90 sternothyroid. 90B down to 90A. And then sternohyoid right next to it. I got 91B up here, down to 91A down here. 91A and to 91B. Homohyoid inside a bit. Got 92A, 92B, and then 92A down here, 92B for superior and inferior. Thyrohyoid, got 93A, 93B. And then we have the genioglossus, which is right over here, 94. And also on the back of the tongue, 94. And then we have 95, which is the styloglossus, which can be seen on the dorsal, 95. And then also in here, 95. And then we have muscles of the pharynx, so we have the stylopharyngeus, 96. Oh, 1 second, let me orient myself here. Alright, 96 on the styloid process. And then we have the superior pharyngeal constrictor, 97. Can you see on the mandible, 97A. Then we can see it up here, 97A. And also on here, oh sorry, 97B. 98 is the middle pharyngeal constrictor, so the insertion is right over here, 98B, and 98A. And then we have the inferior pharyngeal constrictor, so 99A to 99B. And then we have the palatoglossus, so 100 on the tongue, and then right over here, that's 100 right here. 101 is the palatopharyngeus, which can also be seen right here, 101. Leverator villi palantini, insertion and origin can be seen right here, so it's 102. Oh, 1 second. tensor villi palantini. Also origin and insertion, so 103. And then we have 104, which is the muscles of the uvula. Can be seen up here, 104, right here. And we have the pterygomandibular raphe, which is 105. You can kind of see right over here, 105B to the insertion, which is up here, 105. 106 is the median pharyngeal raphe, which can be seen on here, 106. And then we have 107, which is the median palatine raphe, 107B down to 107A. 108 is the intermediate tendon, which is just labeled like such. And then we have the TMJ capsule right over here. And then we have the TMJ ligament, which can be seen here as 108B. And then we have 108A right over here. And then we have the sphenomandibular ligament, which can be seen in here. That's 109B. And the insertion right under here is a 109 and 108A. And the stylomandibular ligament, 110 on that styloid process down to the corner of that mandible, 110B. And that's it for part 2, part 3.